Welcome to this new video. The hat is on, so you already know what time it is. It's a new vlog, lake vlog. Now I'm about to approach the main road, so see you later. I'm quite melting, but we have to keep the destination in mind. So the struggle and the effort comes here. But yeah, I'm melting under this 40 degrees weather. I don't know why I'm on my bike again, but we call it passion. We call it love. Love the peace and the quiet of this place leading to the lake. It's a small, driving path in the forest that allows me to, avoid all the traffic and avoid being, driven over by the cars while filming. So here we are. But yeah, aside from being, avoiding the streets, the chaos, the hecticness of the traffic, I love this place because it's just quiet. No one is in your business, Oh my god. I'm struggling to keep talking because I'm riding. These vintage trucks, circus trucks, are very cool. So I have to come here back with my camera. Like imagine shooting on a portrait film with almost no one, but a small presence, a small human presence, like something forgotten, abandoned. And yeah, so my series will play around the colors, the tones of blue. As I said, I will be shooting only on film because I love the vintage, almost shitty. Also these flowers, these blue flowers would really show well on camera, I think. I'm so sorry for my voice, but I'm drenched, as you can see, in sweat, and I'm out of breath. Ignore the blue ribbon just to stay on team. So we're almost back home, if I don't get run over by a car. I'm not used to this. Whew. Okay. I'm back from my lake trip. Everything went quite well, and I've introduced you to my photographic project. So yeah, we've done that. We're gonna be talking more about it. Also, if you have any advice, any help, just with some tips, it would be really appreciated. Oh, there is a small cat. Did you see that? People hate black cats, but I personally love them. I literally fall in love with black cats. My neighbor has a black kitten and she's new, so she doesn't really feel comfortable around the area. Also, she has an apartment, so the cats can't really go out and come in freely, and that's really a shame because it is what really makes me not want to get a cat, because I don't want to like trap him in a cage because I don't have any space or freedom for him. So I prefer to, you know, leave him for a better house, better household. That was it. We are almost done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Especially, I'm really nervous. You obviously can assume that from my voice. Aside from all the cycling, it really is nerve-wracking for me to introduce you to my new. I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in the next.